We are a Belgian company. We are 1 year young, almost day on day. We are very proud to show here at PLASA a world premiere. This is the very first time that we show this module, this style. 2 days ago it was still in our factory, and we were able to bring it just on time here at the show. We have 20 tiles on our booth and 1 tile here. This is not only a simple LED wall, it's not only a 6mm LED wall, it is much more than that. Today there are 6mm indoor products already on the market. What we tried to achieve with this product was to bring all the extras that rental companies and fixed installation companies are looking for. The first thing that we did is, of course, use black SMDs to have the highest contrast, the highest, deepest black, as you can see already by now. The second thing that we did was increase the brightness. Today, a 6mm product is at 2,300 nits, candela per square meter. We have here a product which is 4,000 nits bright. So it has an outdoor brightness as LED display. Therefore, it's not only an indoor display, it's also an outdoor display. Not only for the brightness, but also the front of the product is IP65 rated, so outdoor rated. Not only for rain, high humidity, sand, salt, dust, pollution, so everything is completely closed. It's not the case for the backside. The backside is IP54, which is good for outdoor conditions, but not for permanent installs. So for rental companies, they like it that it's already IP65. This is a unique feature that nobody has a 6mm manufacturer today. Another feature that we implemented is the depth of the tile. We have a depth of 6.4 centimeters. Why is this important? At one hand, it's important for transportation cases. We have less transportation cases than colleagues with a module of 20 centimeters. So we can put double tiles in one fly case, which is reducing the cost of fly cases, which is reducing the wood needed for fly casing, and which is also reducing the cost in transportation, because we have more panels in one single fly case. Transportation truck, transportation mainly with an airplane is extremely expensive. As it is a small tile, it is also a small power supply we have due to the quality of the LEDs and the components we use. One module is 5.8 kilograms. So 1 square meter is 34 kilograms, whereby the average in 6mm products today is 60-70 kilograms. So the crew who is using a product like this is very happy with such kind of product. Last but not least, another unique feature is that we have convex and concave capabilities. Means that we can build a LED display like a banana inside or outside. And some brands can do it horizontally. We also do it horizontally, but on top of that we also do it vertically. So we can go also vertical like that in both directions, convex and concave again. Therefore we have here a clips mechanism, which we can connect here on, excuse me, not everybody can see it, that we can connect here a clips, and that clip is moving the tile in -15 degrees till +15 degrees, stepless. So there are no steps, it's only going smooth. If something would go wrong with this tile, and especially on LED level, we have direct access to the LEDs, which is again a unique feature. Most of the modules are completely closed with power supplies, print boards and so on. What can we do if one LED is broken, and imagine that the LED over here on the other side is broken? You take a screwdriver, take all the screws away, and you can push out one of those strips, a complete strip. We have 9 of them. You push it out, you take a spare strip, click it in and screw it again. So you don't need to dismount the whole module or the complete wall. You can take out strip by strip where the problem is of the LED. Last but not least, we have found a unique clicking system, mounting system. So it is a knob that you need to push to the top and open it. So now it's open. It's difficult to see maybe from your side. And then you can click this pin inside. Once the pin is there, you close it. So the speed of installation in building LED displays is extremely high. In regard to serviceability, the last thing I didn't show you is something goes wrong with the LED display. I explained to you something is going wrong with the power supply. Here is the power supply. Take it out, put another one in, and there you go again. I keep my presentation short because I'm the last in line. So that's about it. That's all the unique features about it. So what we try to do is not only build another 6mm product. What we wanted to do is build that 6mm product plus give all the added features that rental and staging companies are looking for in lightweight, in curvabilities, in brightness, in IP65 rating, and so on. And if you want to see this module working, you're more than welcome to see the display working tomorrow or the day after. It's on booth 2S27, so in the middle of this hall. Any questions, please?
Standard. Okay. Obviously, one panel hangs off another panel.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Therefore, the panel at the top and panels that are hanging off it are holding another panel up and therefore are lifting gear.
Yep.
Does this conform? Does it come with a certificate of conformity under lifting gear?
Yes. Yes. We are today. This is a prototype product. We just finished it 2 days ago. Mm-hmm. We are now in all the certifications: the CE certification, the TUV certification. The American certification, I don't remember by heart what it is, but all the certifications are on demand. But this product is already a product which we have used already before in the F-7, so the previous product. This is now the F-6. But we did some modifications, so we need to renew all the certificates. But that's all ongoing now.
Cool. And do you know what standard you work to on that?
Standard, so standard you mean in safety standards and so on?
In lifting gear.
In lifting gear? I don't know. I don't know by heart.
Okay. Do you know what the safety factor is?
The safety factor is 5. That's what we are going for.
Okay. Now, this can curve, which sounds great. Do you have to support the curve?
No.
No?
No.
So
all the modules...
You could do a complete circle.
That's correct. Yes.
And it could sit, the bottom panel could sit on the floor and that circle would self-support itself?
That's correct, yes.
Wow.
That's correct. Please come and have a look how we do the curve. With the mechanics, it's quite spectacular, but it's simple.
That can be amazing, bit of leverage.
Yes, it is. Wow. Yes, it is. Yeah. The thing is that the module is always, one module is standing on the other one. So you have the design of the mechanics is, as you can see, the top of the mechanic is not the same level as the top of the LED. So if you do a curve, the module is always standing on it, one on the other. Not in the case on the front, but in the case like that, it's always standing. And therefore we can do a curve as you mentioned.
Have you ever done a curve like that?
Not yet, no. It's prototype, it's the very first modules we have here. But everything is calculated to do it.
Do you know how many you can hang in one drop?
We are at 20 modules.
And what's the retail price?
The retail price is $20,000.
Per tile or
per square meter, sorry.
Per square meter. Oh, when is it product ready? There you go.
We plan, so we have a couple of modifications to do. You learn about the product once you build it at the booth, and especially here the very first time. The product should be shippable the 1st of October, but I believe it's going to be 1 month later.
Thank you.
No. That's it? Okay, thank you very much.